What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that the great outdoors? Huh? Is that the great outdoors? Yeah. Why don't you come back to the great indoors? Huh? Is that the great outdoors? Yeah. Yeah, it looks more enticing than it actually is. Yeah. Nobody gets catered meals out there? Or sprinkle showers? Or posh padded perches to take their naps on? Nobody hand delivers millet snacks or rice? Nobody gets their cage covered at night when they go to sleep so they don't catch a draft? Yeah. Yeah. So often the great outdoors looks greater than it is, right? Yeah. You come to Mommy? Come on to Mommy. Oh, he's a good bird. That's my good bird.